Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the secrets of digital marketing success. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on how I've been able to consistently earn over $10,000 per month as a digital marketing content creator. If you've been on this journey with me, you know I'm all about transparency and real results. I've logged in live, shown you the proof, and today is no exception. We're not just throwing numbers around, we're breaking down the actual process, showing you the monthly reports and the strategies that have catapulted my earnings to over $13,000 past month alone. From leveraging platforms like AppSumo to mastering software marketing and affiliate strategies, I'm here to show you it's all achievable with the right approach and persistence. But it's not just about the platforms. It's about understanding the art of content creation, engagement, and building an audience that trusts and follows your recommendations. Today, we're dissecting my income streams, revealing how diverse sources contribute to a lucrative online business, and demonstrating that with dedication, you too can achieve this level of success. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, get ready for a deep dive into the mechanics of making a significant online income through digital marketing and content creation. Let's get started on this enlightening journey together. Let me quickly show you the Six Figure Freedom Club and why you should join. My name is David, and in 2023, I made $156,000 in affiliate commissions. This club is packed with comprehensive courses, live coaching, and a vibrant community already making sales. If you're struggling to make money online, our members are here gaining real income and growing their businesses. Ready to grow a real online business? The first step is taking action. Let me show you how. Click the first link below to get started. All right, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about digital marketing content creator and how I'm earning over $10,000 per month. So let's jump in real quick. So if you've been following along on my channel, I was doing a building in public series, and that lasted for about a month. And I've since then not been doing that, and I've been producing more videos like this. But I would like to show you that these numbers are real. You can look at my videos. I've logged in live and shown you all the proof and so forth. And if I was making this stuff up, don't you think that I would increase my numbers a lot more? I'd probably fabricate this a little bit more and make it $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 per month. But no, we're looking over here at my monthly report. When we look through all the way down here, I haven't done an update since February 15th. I do have some catching up to do right over here, but this is every single week. I'm making over $3,000 right now. And my monthly report right over here shows I made over $13,000. So that's well over $10,000. Even after expenses, I'm making over $10,000 in my online business. And I want to show you today how I actually do this. And it is about being a digital marketing content creator, right? That's 100%. That's a great title for most of these people making money online, including myself. What we're really doing is that we are just professional content creators. We create content nonstop. We put it on multiple platforms and then we make money. And generally it's with free traffic. And you're going to see that in this. So let's go check some more stuff out. So where did this $13,000 come from? Like, how did that actually break down? When we come over here, I created this new spreadsheet, a way to look at this. Now you have your impact, and this is mostly AppSumo, right? You guys know that we come over here and I go to AppSumo. One of my other channels called LearnWire, I go in here and this is a website that gets a ton of traffic per month. We click on this, they get over 3 million people coming to their site looking at their softwares per month. These are lifetime deal softwares, so there is FOMO built in. Fear of missing out, right? People don't want to miss these. Look at this, ends in 12 hours, ends in 12 hours, ends in a day. People have to pick these up because fear of missing out. These are great softwares. They don't want to miss the deal. So they're going to go ahead and pay for this for life, right? So they don't have to pay monthly. And it really is an awesome way to get started. I will just say that jumping in and just going in and trying to promote AppSumo software, this was a 3 years ago type thing. They have thousands of affiliates. I believe they have over 10,000 affiliates by now. It is competitive. It may not be the best choice to go and straight up be an AppSumo affiliate today. It probably wouldn't be my recommendation to you, but to each their own. There's definitely room. If you are persistent and motivated, then you can tap in and break into the AppSumo affiliate category category of products and you can make money that way, but just know it's going to take some time to build up. But this is the platform that I make most of this money from, right? This column right over here that ended up being $3,600 just in January, right? So this was just January. You can look at all my numbers right over here. $3,000 of that was right there. And then software commissions are videos where, let's just go over here. There's writing AI. I'll just go log in right now in front of you just to show you this is a software, SEOwriting.ai. They have $670 to pay me right now. But if we go in here and just go in to look at payouts, this is where we're going to see $1,000, $766, $1,500 right there, $1,300, $1,000, $1,500. I've only been promoting them for 6 months and I've already made thousands of dollars with them. This is one software on my channel. I have multiple softwares that are like this, and that's why that adds up to almost $3,000. It's very lucrative right there as well. So look at this, all these different income sources that we're making money from, right? Then we have Warrior Plus, 3,300. I only promoted 1 or 2 products in the month of January, and it's because I have an audience, and that's what I teach in my 6-Figure Freedom Club. You want to go check that out, link below. But this is exactly how I teach you how to build an audience, and then you'll be able to send your audience to your affiliate links and you'll start making money. So we have Warrior Plus over $3,000 right there, and then 6-Figure Freedom Club, we are well over the $1,000 mark right now, right over here, $1,300 right there. And then YouTube Partner Program, I don't think of it as my number one source or anything like that, but it's nice extra money in the bank, over $1,000. I only have 2 channels right now at the moment that are monetized. I'm working on my 3rd that will be monetized in the next month or 2. But this brings in a nice cushy $1,000 more. I can use that $1,000 to do any kind of marketing that I want, right? I can do paid ads. I can just put it right back into my YouTube channels, which that's what I do right now, and so forth. And then some passive income. I haven't posted videos in a very long time on Amazon Influencer. We still made money there. But as you can see, I highlighted these specific ones in green. And why did I do that? We're going to come over here and we're going to look at this. So we have $3,000 right over here. This was the winner. This was AppSumo, and it was software marketing, right? Software marketing, source number, income source number 1. Software number 2 was also, income source number 2 was also software marketing. Okay. So are you seeing a trend right over here with software marketing, just promoting other softwares, doing helpful software reviews? And I don't care if this video in particular ended up getting 100,000 views on it, which that would be really cool. But I wouldn't care that this would get saturated. There are more softwares coming out every single day on the market that there's no way that we can even review all of them. There's so many softwares out there. We need more people to actually create good content and create good reviews on these softwares. And I'm not talking about AppSumo. I'm talking about other websites that I've shown you in my other videos where you can go over there and there's over 5,000 softwares available that you can go and review. So this is a great way to get into it. I even teach people in the 6-Figure Freedom Club to get into software marketing. So software marketing accounted for, when you come over here, for $6,500, a full-time income just from these 2 income sources alone. But then we come over here and we look at Warrior Plus. This is a more make money online type affiliate marketing, right? So we're really going after the make money online niche and so forth. And I put Warrior Plus marketing right here. It's a very specific type of form of marketing and a specific audience that's looking for ways to make money online. There's usually more new techniques and strategies that come out daily. You find good products and then you promote them. And this involves a little bit of email marketing as well. But the combination of email marketing and the marketing right over here, we were able to bring in $3,300 right there, right? And then we have over here 6-Figure Freedom Club right over here. This is income source number 4. These are all the top ones that made over $1,000, right? We have 5 sources of income right now making over $1,000 per month. We have 3 that are making $3,000 per month, and each one of them is a business in itself, right? So we have this source number 4 is the 6-Figure Freedom Club. It's my private community. We have about 55 members in there right now. It's a low cost right now. I am going to be increasing the pricing. You definitely don't want to miss out and get grandfathered grandfathered in at the lowest price and the launch price of $27. So go check that out right here as well. I teach you everything. You think my YouTube videos are good and transparent? Just wait until you get into my real content right over here where I show you exactly what to do. Okay. And then we have YouTube Partner Program with source number 5. This is just literally just creating YouTube videos and putting them out there. I make another $1,000 per month. Okay. So what do all these income sources have in common, right? You probably maybe are wondering, how did he get traffic for that? What's the common theme? What do they have in common? All commissions were earned by free traffic. I am not kidding you. I try paid traffic. I do, and I'm still going to experiment with it, but I've never been successful at paid traffic. I'd love to be successful. I'd love to actually be able to scale my six-figure Freedom Club with paid ads and spend money on it, but it does not work. So far, my testing, I have not converted a single paid member into six-figure Freedom Club. But guess what? I'm making over $1,000 from it, from free traffic, from YouTube traffic, right? So all income sources involved being a digital marketing content creator, right? That is right. That's what the point of this video is, that as soon as you get it in your head that you need to be a creator, a content creator, and not a consumer. So stop being the content consumer. You do need to learn the right ways. I'd love for you to learn them from me, but my membership is just $27 a month. Most of these memberships start at $97 per month and more. There's $500 courses, $1,000 courses. You probably spent hundreds or even thousands of dollars on all these shiny objects, make money online products, but I'm telling you right now, my place is the right way to go. I've lived and breathed this stuff for years, and I hold nothing back. And also, I'm just fully transparent, show you exactly what to do. But you need to get it in your head that you need to be a digital marketing content creator. When you start creating content and putting it on places like YouTube and Instagram and any places that you want, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, all these platforms, pick one and go to town on it and creating content daily and start getting free eyeballs, free traffic on your content. So you need to get this in your head. Become a content creator, and that is the number one thing and basically job title that I have, is that I'm a content creator and I make money doing it. So only 2 traffic methods were actually used in order to make that $13,000 in January. The first one was YouTube, and that accounted for, if I had to estimate, 90% of all that money. So that would be like the $12,000, $11,000 to $12,000 of that would have been just plainly from free YouTube traffic. No paid advertising or anything like that. Free YouTube traffic, placing videos up on my YouTube channels. 90% of the traffic came from YouTube. And then number 2, my email marketing list. It's a small email list of about 2,000 subscribers. And people, when I send out emails, people do click on my links. They could go and buy stuff, but I would not consider myself a email marketer. There are people that have that's 100% what they do. They don't even have YouTube channels at all like me. And that's all they do all day long is build their email marketing channels, usually with solo ads and different techniques. They involve paid, and then they also send out emails multiple times a day to make their affiliate commissions. But email marketing only accounts for 10% or less of the money that I actually make. So what is the answer for you today? Okay, what is the answer? You're looking for making money online. What's the answer? How do you replicate my success? It should be obvious after this video, what I've shown you today. You need to start your YouTube channel today. Stop waiting for the next method to come out. Build something that is evergreen and pays you month after month and will be here tomorrow. I have proof. I've been doing this since 2020 full time. And so I have multiple years in the bag right now of doing this, even with small YouTube channels, right? Making over $300,000 the last few years. So this stuff works. So go now, join the Six-Figure Freedom Club with the link below and learn exactly how to start today. Stop wondering, stop searching for that next best thing. It's just $27 right now. I have members in my Six-Figure Freedom Club that are saying, hey, you're charging way too less for this. You need to increase your prices for the value that this community brings. So right now it is only $27. I'm sure you've spent far more than that on other products in the past. The cost will be increasing soon, so don't miss this opportunity. I'm actually thinking of March being the last month that it's going to be $27, and then I'm going to be increasing it to $37 or $47 in April. So you want to make sure that you join now. And if you join now, you grandfather in at that pricing. And even when I increase the pricing of the membership, you will continue only paying $27 right now. Okay. So stop wasting time, and we'll see you soon.